Hello, I'm Jen from Cakey Lulus, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you all about the Reeded cake stand collection from Prop Options. Now, just like the Reeded separators, these cake stands are ultra strong and capable of carrying even a heavy tiered cake. Super stylish and really sleek, adding an extra element of interest to your cake display without detracting from the cake design. And they're really durable, made from eco-friendly recyclable materials. The collection is launching in both round and square design and will be available in both a 10-inch and 12-inch top plate. And they'll also come in a range of 3 different colours. So here we've got the white, the gold, and also the black, the same as the Reeded separators. So there's plenty of choice and lots of options for your cake displays. The Reeded cake stand comes deconstructed with a separate base and a removable top plate. The base is hollow, so you can fill it with weights for added stability and peace of mind. And the top plates are interchangeable, so you can mix and match square and round, different colours to create your own unique cake stand. Both the base and the top plate come with clear instructions on them. The base shows its size and which size top plate to pair it with. And the top plate also has the same. It shows its size and which size base it pairs with. To fill the base, we recommend using baking beans because they're reusable and food friendly, and they're available to buy either in cake shops, supermarkets, or online. To assemble the cake stand, first I'm going to add my baking beans. And then I'm going to take the top plate, line it up and screw it into place. We can't wait to see what you think of the Reeded cake stand. Remember to tag Prop Options in your posts and head on over to the Prop Options YouTube channel for tips, tutorials and more.